Hi there everyone. This video I'm gonna showcase how to use the controller to pause and pause. Basically, this is a continuation from my microphone on off on the screen. I'll give a link to the previous video to showcase how I make it. But basically, it's really simple. Just like you need to install JoyToKey, which is this program. Is another program free to use. You can get it right here. Once you install it, you just insert your controller, and basically you put the same controller. Disable for a bit the controlling here, okay? And basically, bottom left or center microphone, they will be present, but you just need the configuration. Usually the select button in the games or a specific button is not really used, so you can just find it right here. This is my select button. And you make the select button the bottom 4 if you prefer down, or bottom 5 if you prefer up, but must be the same as your configuration with Xmouse Input. In this case, my level 2. When I press on, you can see a mouse ring in the center, and you're pretty much done. Now, when you play the game, you press select. The button will mute and unmute the microphone, and you will be able to see it. The thing will also works as mentioned in the last video with other games that require the mouse movement, as Left 4 Dead 2. The only thing is that you must a little bit, just like last time, spam it a bit in case the button doesn't fire off. This one is also affecting Magica 2, and that basically anything that the game will not allow you to move the mouse around.
There's a gun store on the way to the mall.
And that's pretty much it.
Hey, this man's talking some sense.
In this case, it works perfectly because it also mimics the tab button, which it goes in the same time, which is a cool finding for me, honestly.
Something for you.
And yep, really easy to do and to get it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little extra was useful for you. And take care.